car interior vacuum cleaners ensure fast, convenient cleanup, removing dust, crumbs, and pet hair anytime, keeping vehicles clean and hygienic. Today's video is about top 5 best car interior vacuum cleaners for quick cleanup that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fanttik Handheld Vacuum for Car, Office Desk. The Fanttik V8 Apex 4-in-1 Cordless Mini Vacuum is a compact and versatile cleaning tool designed for quick, small-scale tasks. While it is less powerful than full-sized vacuums, it performs excellently for car interiors, desks, keyboards, and other tight spaces where convenience matters more than heavy-duty suction. With up to 19,000 pascals suction power driven by an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it efficiently picks up dust, sand, and light debris. It offers 2 modes, Eco Mode for up to 40 minutes and Max Mode for 13 minutes of focused cleaning. The device includes 10 practical accessories such as a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, and pet brush, making it suitable for multiple cleaning needs, including pet hair removal. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to use with one hand. The Type-C fast charging system fully recharges in about 2.5 hours. A one-touch dust release system ensures mess-free emptying, while the HEPA filter captures fine particles effectively. Ideal for everyday quick cleanups anywhere. Now our second product is Fanttik Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 4-in-1 multifunctional mini cordless car vacuum cleaner is a compact yet highly practical cleaning tool designed for everyday convenience. It combines 4 functions: vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and suction, making it far more versatile than a standard handheld vacuum. It comes with 10 useful accessories, including a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, multi-surface brush, and pet brush, allowing you to clean tight corners, fabric surfaces, and even pet hair with ease. Powered by an upgraded 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 16.8 kilopascals, 40 AW, suction, effectively removing dust, sand, and small debris. It offers 2 modes, Eco Mode for 30 to 40 minutes and Max Mode for 10 to 20 minutes of strong cleaning performance. The device is ultra-light at just 1 pound and fully cordless, making it highly portable for travel, camping, and car use. A 170 milliliters dust cup reduces frequent emptying, while one-touch disposal keeps hands clean. Type-C fast charging completes in about 2.5 hours, and the HEPA filter captures 95.99% of fine particles for cleaner results. Our third product is Thinkwork Car Vacuum Air Inflator. This 20V 2-in-1 car vacuum and air compressor is a smart and practical solution for every car owner who wants convenience without carrying multiple devices. Combining a powerful vacuum and a high-performance air pump, it helps save trunk space while offering both cleaning and emergency tire inflation in one compact tool. Equipped with a durable brushless motor, it delivers strong 18,000 pascals suction for removing dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from car interiors. At the same time, it functions as an air compressor with up to 150 psi pressure, making it suitable for car tires, bikes, basketballs, and inflatable items. The smart display and 4 preset modes make inflation simple and accurate, while multiple nozzle attachments enhance versatility. The vacuum includes a brush head, rubber brush, extended nozzle, and flexible hose for reaching tight spaces in different surfaces. A washable filter ensures long-term performance and cost savings. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your trunk or glove box. The built-in LED light also improves visibility in dark areas, making cleaning and inflation more efficient anytime, anywhere. Now number 4, Houscly Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This handheld vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for both car and home use. Powered by an upgraded 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers strong suction up to 20,000 pascals, effectively removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces. The brushless motor also ensures lower noise, better efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional models. With a built-in 6,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 30 minutes of runtime in low mode and 12 minutes in high mode, making it suitable for quick and everyday cleaning tasks. Fast Type-C charging allows a full recharge in about 3 to 3.5 hours, adding convenience for on-the-go use. A standout feature is its dual-function design with both suction and blowing modes, producing 680 liters per minute airflow, ideal for keyboards, car vents, and inflatables. The 0.4L dust cup reduces frequent emptying, while the washable HEPA filter ensures consistent performance. At just 0.7 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, and the included attachments make it versatile for detailed cleaning anywhere. And our last choice is Saker Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The Saker 3-in-1 multifunctional mini car vacuum cleaner is a compact and versatile cleaning tool designed for everyday convenience. It combines vacuuming, blowing, and pumping functions, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks such as cleaning car interiors, keyboards, sofas, office spaces, and hard-to-reach corners. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor, it delivers strong suction up to 17,000 pascals with 3 adjustable modes ranging from 7 kilopascals to 17 kilopascals. This makes it effective for picking up dust, sand, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. Weighing only 380 g, the device is ultralight, foldable, and highly portable, easily fitting in your hand or storage space. Its cordless design ensures unrestricted movement, while the powerful battery setup provides long usage time with fast Type-C charging for added convenience. The vacuum features a dual filtration system with a washable HEPA filter and a durable steel filter for long-term performance. A wide range of accessories, including multiple nozzles, brushes, and inflator attachments, enhances its versatility. Overall, it's a practical all-in-one cleaning solution for home, travel, and car use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.